Hello peeps, happy Wednesday. I'm not here today, so you're going to be learning virtually. Congratulations. Today you guys are going to continue with ratios and proportions. So we started off ratios and proportions this week, and we did that with pretty much just fractions, okay? They gave you, maybe you need a half a cup of milk for a couple people, and then some more people came over, and so you're going to have to double your recipe or triple your recipe, okay? And so that's essentially what you're doing with ratios and proportions. But in geometry, that also can relate to shapes, which is what we're going to be doing today. Okay, so we have these triangles. I think the hardest part is just to look at it and be able to know which numbers go to what. Okay, so, but you're going to set them up the same. So we're going to definitely have an equals, and you're going to have two fractions. Okay, now we got this bottom piece, and it doesn't matter where you put the things, but you're going to have to put them in. So you got this bottom piece, which is 3, and the 3 is connected to this triangle, which is going to be 12. Okay, and then we look at the other triangle, and we got the question mark, which is the bottom part, and we can put an X for that, over 16. Okay, and so the hardest part, I think, is just setting them up. Okay, and then you're going to cross multiply and divide. So when we cross multiply, you're going to say 16 times 3. Okay, which is 48, equals 12x. And then we're going to say divide by 12. Okay, and so you're going to get 4, x equals 4. Okay, and if you would plug this in, you could see that 3/12 is equivalent to a scale of, okay, or proportional to 4 over 16. Okay. And so that's what we're doing today. And I honest to goodness think the hardest part is that setup, okay? So let's look at the next one. Okay, so we got this side, so we got 2 of these, and let's start with the first triangle. So we got 3 over 4 is equivalent to 6 over, we can say x. Okay, so you're gonna get 3x equals 24. Okay, we cross multiply and then divide. So we're going to divide by 3. So you get x equals 8. Okay, draw your things. Okay, same thing. You got 3 over 4. And the 3 is equivalent to this one. We don't know what that is. X and 8. Okay, so you're going to get 24 is equivalent to 4x. Okay, we cross multiplied, and then we're going to divide. So we divide by 4. You get x equals 6. Okay, and or question mark. Okay, and if you kind of look at this, this is 3 and this is 6. So if you'd say 3 times 2 is 6, or 4 times 2 is 8. They work out. It's proportional. Okay, you're going to get 2 over 3 for the first triangle is equivalent to question mark or x over 6. Okay, so you're going to get 12 equals 3x. Is that your fault? Divide by 3. So we get x equals 4. Okay, we're gonna get x over 12 is equivalent to 14 over 28. Okay, so you get 28x is equivalent or equals to, I keep saying equivalent, it's not, 168. And then divide both sides by 28. And you're going to get x equals 6. Okay, we get 15 over 20 is equal to 9 over x. Okay, so you're at 15x is equal to 180. Okay, and we're going to divide by 15. So you get x equals 12. Okay, on this one, start off with this first triangle. So we're going to get 2 over 4 is equivalent to 4 over x. We get 2x equals 16. So we get x equals 8. Okay, we get 2 over 3 is equivalent to 4 over x. You're going to get 2x equals 12. Okay, so you're going to get x equals 6. Okay, you get 5 over 10 is equivalent to 3 over x. You get 5x equals 30. So you're going to end up with x equals 6. Okay, you're going to divide both sides by 5. Okay, we got 4 over x is equal to 8 over 6. So you get 24 equals 8x. So x equals 3. Okay, you guys got 10 of them to do on your own. Okay, go through and get them done, and I will be back on Thursday, and we'll finish up ratios and proportions for this week, and then we're going to move on to similar polygons. Okay, have a good day, and I'll see you tomorrow.